Honest sad bad because East Portland people vote out Mrs. Vaz. We vote her out because we want someone that can represent us, not a dancing queen. Alright then, fine. Fair enough. I mean, people are free to choose who they want to choose, elect who they want to elect. It's a democracy. We live in a democratic country. But it's the hypocrisy that I think I have to call out, because East Portland has been one of those parishes, just like St. Thomas, that has been under PNP stewardship for decades and has remained severely underdeveloped, stagnant. So what, when you talk about representation, you had representation then, right? You had representation under PNP stewardship, but you guys rewarded incompetence election after election after election after election after election. How many years have you guys voted the same way for the same representatives that have done nothing for your parish? Y'all complain that, oh, I just rode Shagiwe. But aren't roads a start though? What were you getting before? I am curious to know what it is that the parish collectively, I'm not talking about you get a little palm grease here, a little palm grease there, a little handout here, a little handout there. I'm not talking about that. What has the parish gotten collectively from the representatives before? What has been done? Because if it is that the parish is in such a stagnant state, is in such a deplorable state, that means that your representatives that you have elected before were doing jack shit. Then you expect that Anne Marie is supposed to come and within such a short span of time fix all of the issues. I think it's a mental illness. You guys have a serious case of mental illness, and I say it all the time, I think it needs to be studied. Only things that joke me I make, but I really and truly think it needs to be studied. It's a psychological issue. There is no way. It does not make any sense. How are you going to talk about representation when you guys have had no representation for the past for decades? As a matter of fact, MP has even come a parliament, much less. Talk the truth what God love now. Talk the truth.